just used to talk here and then we'd see sometimes, know, and
Okay.
that was it. To be honest, I could like new lady I before and then out of the house and we became.
Okay.
I always used to do it after I did the jail. So yeah, that's it. You say your name is
Yeah.
Darling.
Darling. Yep.
Is it like darling, like darling, or
Yep. My mom called me darling. So, but my name is Darling.
Dowlerly?
Yes, it's spelled Darolyn.
Daro D A.
Darolyn.
Oh, darling.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that's cool. I love your.
Thank you.
Okay. It was nice talking to you, darling.
It was nice talking to you, and I hope to talk to you again.
I will try to come live more often.
I don't want it to be live. Like I said, I want to know you.
You want to know me?
Uh-huh.
That's very interesting. But
Yeah.
yeah, like I said, like I don't know if I want to have friends because like I'm okay with the friends that I have.
Hmm. Can you just consider me a little bit?
I should consider you.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what you want me to say regarding. I'll think about it and then I'll.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Okay, real hot girl. Thanks for the time. I love it so much. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, darling.
Bye, Andrew.
Of like, because I don't know what.
I'm not getting you.
Could you end it yourself? Like, could you leave yourself because I don't know what's wrong with my screen.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right. Bye. Good night.
Good night. How can I leave it?
Okay. Let me try to add somebody else. Hmm. What else should I add? Let's see if this. Let me see if this person picks. Nope, the person didn't. I don't know. Anytime I try to add the women's, they be tripping. Uh, let me see. I have trouble making trouble. Trouble is what excites me. No one can do it like me. I'm trying to add people, but people's isn't coming. I don't know what's wrong with their network. This person's network is also tripping. Let me see. I have a lot of requests here, so if I don't pick you, hi,
Hi, hi, Angel.
hello, hey, gorgeous, gorgeous girl.
Thank you. I'm happy to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you too. What's your name?
My name is Jennifer.
Nice to meet you, Jen. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm okay.
I love your piercing. Is that
Thank
one?
you.
There's one
Thank
here.
you. I'm so happy because the first time you went inside the house, I chose you up till now. So I was like, I hope I see you one day. I pray I see you one day.
Okay, where you from?
I'm from Sierra Leone.
Oh, you're from Sierra Leone. My
Yeah.
great granny is from Sierra Leone.
Okay. If I tell my mommy that I talked to you, she will be happy because everyone in my house know that I love you so much. I'm happy.
I love
I'm
you too,
happy
babe.
to. I love you so much, Angel.
Okay, what do you do?
I do business. I sell shoes. I'm a business lady.
You sell shoes?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? You could plug your Instagram, like you could put your app or share your Instagram store to people in
No,
Sierra
I
Leone.
just do it at home. I have the samples.
Oh, so
I
do
do
you
it
make
at home.
or sell?
Yeah, I have
Or
it now here.
you
So
sell
if you
or
want
you,
it, I bought it. Yeah, I sell.
okay, cool. That's
Hmm.
so. Do you go to college?
No, not yet. But I will try to sit my exam. So I will go to the college.
You want to go to college? What do you want to study?
I want to study law.
Lord, that's nice.
Hmm.
That's a nice course to study. I was fun fact time that I wanted to study law.
Okay. Ah, Angel, me if I see you. Wow.
What did you
What?
What did you say?
I said, okay, I see you one day.
You pray?
Mommy, Angel, I'm talking to Angel. My mommy wants to say hi.
Hi.
Mommy, Angel. Angel, hi.
Hi. Good
How
evening,
are
ma. Hi.
you?
I'm
Oh,
great.
we've been praying a lot for you to talk to us. Thank God it happens today. Thank
Thanks.
God it happens today.
How are you doing?
Oh, we okay? We okay?
You're okay. Nice.
Yes, 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 yes. Thank God you talked to us today. We've been praying.
Oh, I think her network went off. That's sad.
Oh, Lord. Oh,
Okay.
thank God. We love
It's
you.
nice.
We love you.
I so much too. Thank you for coming.
And we are praying for you to come to Sierra Leone.
I'm going to come soon. My great granny is from there.
Okay. I would love to see you, okay?
I You love to see me. I'll do.
You anytime you're welcome.
Sure. I'll come. One of these days. I will be there.
Okay. Okay. My
I
mom, she's happy to talk to you. Everyone in my house know that I love you so very much.
thank you so much for
You're
loving.
welcome. Love you too. Okay, good night.
Good night, Jenny.
Okay.
Love because my phone is tripping.
Okay, okay.
Any. Okay, I'm going to try to add someone else. Let me see if this person joins. Don't think this person is joining. Let me see who else I can add.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good, you?
I'm great. What's your name?
Sadiq, how are you?
What?
I'm Sadiq.
Sadiq.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Sadiq. You're Muslim?
What? Yeah, I am.
All right. Where do you live?
Abuja. I guess,
Abu.
yeah, I guess you stay in Lagos, yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
what do you
Actually, what?
What do you do? Are you a student? Do you work?
I don't work. I'm just a student.
You're a student.
Yeah, but like, I'm done with school, you get?
You're
Mm-hmm.
So you're about to be a copper.
Yeah, but not yet. I just want to live the life right now before I be on
Fair enough. Congratulations. What did you study?
economics. How about you? I heard you dropped out from school, yeah?
Yeah.
I
Uh,
like, you literally said you don't need friends. You don't want friends also, yeah.
well, I didn't essentially say that, but I did say that I
Cool.
knew
Cool.
friends.
You don't have to get friends. You could just be my sugar mommy. I don't mind. Yeah.
I just like the requirements. Like I don't meet like the age requirements.
I don't, actually, yeah. Well, it's not all about that. Cause like I barely follow you. I follow you because of, to be honest, I like you because of your body, not like, and like your personalities and all.
Okay, you
Yeah.
like my personality.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like I'm saying that like for me to be your sugar mommy, like at least I have to be
You don't
older.
you,
Like
you don't you don't need to spend on me. I don't mind. You don't have to spend on me.
but like that's the basis of the sugar. If you
Not
count
really. Not really. It's not, sugar doesn't mean just money. It means a lot of things apart from money.
really
Yeah.
educate interested in this.
What?
Educate me. So like what like for you what is a sugar mommy? Like what does this entail?
Well, I rather keep it to myself right now because I think it's public, not private.
What?
It's literally a public conversation, not a private conversation. So
Okay, so you want it to be a private conversation.
yeah, because you literally telling me to explain what it means to me.
Um
Yeah.
you want to have that conversation in private, that's what you're saying.
If you don't mind.
I do mind.
Yeah, because I know it's not your fault actually.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, because you're one of them. So you just have to be like, you just have to do shakaya and all.
I have to just
You know.
hey. It's not even a
I know
shakara.
you're speechless. Yeah, yeah, definitely you have to be one of them. Yeah,
It's not even a shakara thing. It's just like, and it's not even about me being one of them. I don't know what that even means,
Mm-hmm.
but
What?
but
What?
I'm like I don't think like I want to apply for the post of your sugar mommy.
I don't literally did anything from you.
So why do you want me to be your sugar mommy?
She's, I just did vibes. Like, I, I told you, I follow you because of your personalities and like how you look and everything.
Yeah, but like that doesn't explain why you want me to be your sugar mommy in the grand scheme of things.
Yeah, well, like to me, actually, I just said it. You said what does it mean? Like what's sugar?
Yeah,
What
like
does
what?
what's Yeah, I literally said I can't just say it out loud. You get what I mean?
No, you can't. Because me, for example, why you need power? Because I was from the pool. I'm still drunk. Because someone like me now. Yeah.
Hey, I thought your friend went back to Dubai.
No, I'm here. No, we're in the villa.
Oh, that's nice. Cause I know we have a mutual friend with you.
We're close. So, oh shit, this is Instagram live.
We have a mutual friend with you, but like I'll keep it private actually.
No, 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 no. I thought, stop. I would say, I just need.
What?
You plan on taking it off. I don't. Wait. Anyway, you explain yourself when you wear clothes. I'm coming back. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, I need to know this sugar. Yes, me too. I'm actually kind of curious. Like me, for example, now, if I say I have a sugar daddy, it means she's actually giving me like sugar, like money.
Whoa, I could be a sugar daddy too if you want. But like I could only spoil you with gifts. Yeah.
You can only spawn me with gifts.
Yeah.
Now, like it's not about me.
So
Yeah.
about what?
Because like you said you want me to be your sugar mommy, and you still haven't explained yourself.
No, I indirectly I said sugar mommy because if I say friend, you say nah, you have enough friends and all.
Yeah,
So
but
like
like
I can't say a brother because I don't want you to brother zone me. If I got a chance to be like yeah to be answered and all. So that was why I said sugar. That was why I just said straightforward.
sorry, like let's back up. Are you toasting me on live?
I'm not trusting you. I'm just being direct. Like
So you're direct, like you're toasting me.
I'm not trusting you actually.
You're toasting
Just
me.
what?
Yes, that's exactly what you're doing. You're toasting me.
I'm not doing that.
Yes, you are. I'm coming. Control the live. Like, oh. You can find out what he's talking about. Hey.
Hey, what's up?
What's your name?
What?
What's your name?
Sadiq, how are you?
What sugar are we talking about here?
She literally said she don't need friends and everything. Then I was like, okay, let her be my sugar mommy. And like she said, oh, what do I mean by sugar and all? She said money. I said no, I don't need money from her.
So what do
Yeah.
you need?
Then I said like I can't say it here because it's public. It's a public composition. You get what I mean?
Yeah, but we're all friends here.
But like I can't talk in public to be honest because I'm a private person.
And
Yeah.
so you intend on having this conversation in private?
Yeah. Then she was like,
But
for example, if you then she
this
was like
is a chance to let us know what is that conversation.
she was like, for example, if she has a sugar daddy or so. I said, yeah, I could treat her like one, even I'm not I wouldn't be a state to be a sugar daddy. I would treat her like one. Yeah, that was what I said to her. Mm-hmm.
Angel.
If he's I know, I guess she love Hermes, yeah?
Hermes, yeah.
Yeah. I'll just send one Ismail to her. I think it's going to be okay.
A Birkin or a Kelly?
No, I can't get her a Birkin straightforward. Maybe it's my palms.
Oh.
Yeah. I think I got her size here. I'll just give her one from here. I think. Yeah. If she's cool with it.
But what size is she? You said you have a size there. How do you know her size?
I know her size. Her size is maybe 40 or 41. Yeah.
Let me see. What color?
Huh? Don't worry. I'll show you in private. No, not really. Like, yeah.
By Hermes. But see, the thing about sugar daddies.
No. I literally.
But
I just said something about sugar. No.
pair of Hermes, they're like what?
What?
Don't know.
What?
Can you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Hermes slippers. Now let me explain the concept of
Like,
sugar. Sugar is what?
do I look familiar too? Do I look familiar?
Do you look familiar?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Alright, then it's fine.
Why? Do I know
No,
you?
I just asked.
What was it? Yes. So the thing is that anybody can buy themselves a pair of Hermes slippers. Well, we can buy ourselves.
Yeah, I know.